So we're gonna do this one with some wine because it's my Friday and it has been a long week. So I figured I would have a glass of wine. Actually, too, like, funny story, this was it a birthday present? I don't even know. Some of our friends came, I think it was my birthday party, and they brought boxed wine, and I love her and him for that because, come on. Okay, also this says, it's always happy hour. Alright, so in this video, we are unboxing and trying on Dia&Co. I don't know what number box this is. I could look it up, but I'm not doing that right now because I don't want to do that. So I'll put it in the description box or in the title what number Dia&Co box this is. Okay, so here's the fun part. I absolutely have not peeked. Here's the paperwork. And just to prove it, look at that. Seal is not broken. I have not peeked. The last unboxing and try on video I did was Trunk Club. And y'all seem to like that format where, how did she get in here? Okay, so y'all seem to like that format where I tried it on as I unboxed it. So what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to unbox everything and then I'll move to the corner over here and try it all on so that you get like my real reaction. I have no idea what's in this box. I mean, it's literally, yeah, everything is in tissue paper. There's nothing at the bottom. It's all, ooh, an orange color though. Okay, so before we get started, let's do, if you don't want to watch this, then you can skip ahead. Let's see. Let's open, this is a price list. I'm not going to look so that I don't know what's on it, as long as it doesn't have my address. And then this is like a little card. So Olivia styled me today. And, oh, she said she watched my YouTube video. Okay, I'm not going to read this because I don't want to give anything away. So, let's get started, but first, I love watching, like, Tipsy get ready with me's and stuff. Like, it's just fun. Alright, so I'm going to take all this out of the box. We're going to rearrange here. They also give you, if you've never watched a Dia&Co box before, they give you, this is a return slip, like prepaid postage so that I don't have to pay to send back what I don't want. Alright, let's open it. And let's get started. First thing I see is a gray, oh my gosh, it's a pineapple. How cute. This is from Molly and Isadora, a size 2X. This is thin, but this is cute. How cute would this be with like a pair of cutoff shorts? I may have mentioned to them that I have a cruise coming up next month in April. My husband and I are going on a cruise to Belize and like 3 other places, but the only one I can ever remember is Belize, so that's what I tell people. But this would be really cute with some cutoff shorts and like chunky earrings. Okay, next thing. OMG, y'all. It has a freaking tie on it. Okay, I like that one already. This, oh, I think this is is this a dress? No, this is a shirt, but this is a thick shirt. Okay. Oh, this is the front. Is it? I guess so, because there's the tag, but it has this zipper that goes all the way down. Yeah, all the way down. I kind of like this side better. Like, I would want to wear this side. Why would they put the zipper on the front? I'm very confused. Let's see how much this is. I didn't even tell you how much the other ones were. This is Chelsea and Theodore. So this, oh, it's a jacket. Not a shirt. Alright, so this is $85, this jacket. This striped shirt is the brand Molly and Isadora. This is $49. Okay, that's cute. And then the pineapple shirt is $39. So, just so we're on track with what we're supposed to be doing here. Alright, this orange. Oh, how cute. It's like a, sorry. This is like a sleeveless dress. This is cute. Those are my text messages. I apologize. This is cute. This would be like a great summer dress. What brand is this? This is Mara Lane. And this is $65. Last thing. jeans. Ooh, skinny jeans. Celebrity Pink is the brand. I love this wash color. And they're fringed on the end. Ooh. These are the Celebrity Pink Auburn skinny jeans, medium wash for $65. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put some of these clothes on because I'm excited. I'm a little weirded out about that jacket, I'll be honest. But that's okay. All right, here we go. Okay, so this is that bright orange dress. And this is really cute. It's like very flattering. I love the color. The fit is like perfect. It would be even better if it had pockets. But we can't have everything we want. So I like it. I like this. Okay. Okay. I don't even know what to say about this other than this top is amazing. I'm assuming you tie it in the front. I didn't read the directions, but y'all, this, oh my gosh. I'm in love. How stinking cute is this? This would be so cute with a pair of white jeans. I love it. I freaking love it. Okay, and these are the jeans. They're like super high-waisted, which I like. They fit good. They're a little bit baggy, but I can deal with that. They're frayed at the ends. I like the denim color. I mean, this shirt though, I can't get over this shirt. Okay, while we have it rolling, let's try on this like zip up thingy. I'm not really sure that this piece is me. I love the like wild card that was in there, and I would wear it as a shirt. I wouldn't wear it as a jacket. Like I would, let's see. I mean, I would rather it be like this, but then the pockets are backwards. Wouldn't y'all? I mean, it's cute like that. But then like, I have a tag right there at my neck. I like the zip in the back, but the pockets kind of give it away. Oh. But I would wear it like this. How cute is that? And the pineapple shirt is cute. I don't know, like 2 years ago, Taren would love this like graphic tee. I don't really know if it's me anymore. I don't know, what do we think? I love the pineapple. Like it's so much brighter in person than you can see on camera. But it fits really well. I mean, it's a cute shirt to just throw on. How much was it? I think it was $39. Yeah, for $39, no. All right, so now that we've seen everything on, and my hair is a hot mess, that striped shirt is amazing. So how Dia&Co works, you can get all 5 items and you get a discount. So they give you your styling fee, which is $20, credited towards anything you keep. But if you keep all 5 items, you get 25% off. So with every discount, if I kept everything in this box, my total would be $207.25. I like everything in here except for that weird jacket thing. I would wear it as a shirt. There she is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right, so I would wear everything except for that weird embroidered jacket thing. I liked it as a shirt instead. And then also the dress. I'm not really big into sleeveless dresses. I don't know where I would wear it to. So the only things that I would consider keeping, honestly, is the striped shirt. This I can't bring myself to pay $39 for. The jeans are nice, but I don't really need jeans. But that striped shirt. So how much is the striped shirt? Flutter sleeve tie front shirt is $49. And I get $20 off. So for $29, where is it? Buried in here. I'm buying that for $29. I'm so happy with that. I love it. Olivia, if you're watching this, thank you, girl. It's amazing. This also was a good pick to put in there because in theory it would be great for me. I'm just not sure if I'm into graphic tees anymore. I'll put the link to Dia&Co down below if you're interested. I'll also link all my previous videos so you can watch all of those if you want. I've had a great time with Dia&Co. I debated canceling it not long ago just because I had an issue when I decided to exchange an item that I wanted to keep. I needed a different size. and they kind of like gave me the runaround, but I'm glad I kept with it. I'm glad that I stuck to it, and I think this is my second box since I had that issue, and it's been fine. I've had no issues. As always, please like this video. If you haven't subscribed and you're watching this video, please hit the subscribe button. This is my second glass, even though it looks like the first one. So we're having a good time. I'm gonna go and watch Sons of Anarchy. I've watched everything, the whole series for Sons of Anarchy, but it's on Netflix, and I've been addicted. I think I made it the other day to season 4. I know what happens. Like, this ain't my first rodeo, but I've been addicted. Before that, it was Heart of Dixie. Y'all know that. So I'm going to go watch me some Sons of Anarchy, and I'm going to edit this video. So thank you for watching. I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.